fell in love too. Boy, this feels so wrong too. If we ever broke up, I'd never be sad. Think about everything I thought we had. If we ever broke up, if we ever broke up, I'd call your dad and tell him all the of things you said. If we ever broke up.